I don't usually start my videos wearing my headset, but I'm still on the clock for a minute, but I wanted to let you know I got something exciting to share with you. So I have this unassuming box sitting over here, and it contains something very special. I know it looks like it's open right now. Well, that's because it is. But we're also expecting Amazon to drop off a big box of popcorn today. So my daughter got really excited when she saw it on the porch. So she opened it, but I haven't peeked yet. I got an email from Lion Brand about a special mystery bag here, and I got it. This is my very first mystery bag I have ever bought. I'm really excited to share it with you guys. You ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. So here we go. This is from Lion Brand. I got an email a couple weeks ago for their Christmas mystery box. This baby was on sale for $19.99. So I said, heck yes, I'm gonna get my first mystery bag. And here we go, guys. You ready? I've not peeked in here yet, so I don't know what to expect. Okay, oh geez. So we have, I'm not excited about this one, to be honest with you, but I will give it a try and you'll know when I do. But this has those little pull through loops. I like the colors. I think it's very cute. But it has all these little pull-through loops. You see that? I've never worked with this before. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't sound so disappointed because I've never worked with this before. I don't know if this is going to be my new jam or not. But I've got 3 rolls of this. 1, 2, 3. Let's let them out of the bag. We'll give them a chance to breathe a little bit. But this is called Off the Hook. See what else we got. So that's our first yarn right there, right? Not bad. And we got 3 of them in here, okay? Here. Oh, ooh, look at that. Look how pretty these colors are. You know, I'm not even a purple person, but you know, and this isn't even my color, but look how pretty this is. When I say it's not my colors, because warmer tones look better on me than cool tones. But this is Hometown. And this is lovely. I like this one. This one I'm happy with. And we got 3 of these as well. Nice. And I believe these are all acrylics, so we'll find out. And here we got
something
I'm never going to use this. You know, let's guess how much. Let's guess the reasons why. The color's a start. I like a good chartreuse, but there's something about this. I don't know. And it's tiny, and I don't usually use a crochet hook size 1. Oh, so this is True Boo. This is a 100% rayon that's made from bamboo. And it's super soft. But look, can you see how thin that is? Look how thin that is, guys. What does it say on here? I'd be happy to tell you if I knew where my glasses were. Oh, and I do, they're here. Surprise. I've got like 20 pairs of them everywhere I sit down. So this one here, I am reading upside down. So this would be a crochet hook 3. I mean, it is really soft. I just don't know that my hands, my wrist and my fingers can handle something this thin. So this one here might be sitting on my shelves for a while. Okay. So this would be number 3 if I was going to rate them. Number 2 would be this one. It's very soft and I've never tried it before and it might be really fun. So this guy gets a number 2. Number one is a Hometown. This is exactly something I would have looked at in the store. These 2, I would have never even considered if I was shopping in the store. I'd walk right on by them. I would have said, oh, that's cute coloring, but no, just no. Ooh, I could take those off. Look, do I look all flushed? it's because it's 100 degrees out. It's gonna happen, right? But yeah, I'm pleased. For $20, this is not a bad deal because I'm really happy with these. Honestly, these 3 rolls here were probably $20 altogether, right? And so those look really lovely. These look really pretty, and these might be really nice for somebody that does lace work. Anyway, that's my unboxing of the Lion brand Santa Santa mystery bag. It's just a short video for you guys today. Thank you for stopping by and watching. Toodles.